Alright, let's talk about something that's on everyone's mind. It's like that new person at the office who seems to know everything. I'm talking about AI, or artificial intelligence. It sounds very futuristic, doesn't it? Like something out of a movie with flying cars and talking dogs. But it's here, right now, on this day, August 8th, 2025. This technology is getting smarter and smarter, and it's starting to do jobs that people have done for years. It's a little wild to think about. We used to just have computers that played solitaire, and now they're scheduling meetings and writing emails. It's a huge change, and it's happening so fast. Think about how much has changed in just a few years. First, we had assistants who used typewriters. Remember those? The clack, clack, clack sound? Then came computers, then the internet, then smartphones. Each new thing made the job a little different. Now, we have AI that can learn and think for itself. It's like we went from a bicycle to a rocket ship overnight. This isn't just about making things faster, it's about creating a whole new way of working. And that brings up some big questions for all of us. Are we ready for this rocket ship? And more importantly, do we all get to be astronauts? Naturally, when a new super smart gadget shows up, people get a little nervous. And I get it, it's totally understandable. You hear AI and you immediately think about your job. Will a robot be doing my work next year? It's a valid concern. People are worried about job security, and they should be. It's like playing musical chairs, but the music is technology, and it's getting faster and faster. Everyone is wondering if there will be a chair left for them when the music stops. This isn't just about assistants. It's about so many jobs. It's a conversation we all need to have without any fear, just honest talk. So, the big debate is on. Can AI really replace a human assistant? It's the ultimate showdown. In one corner, we have technology that's incredibly efficient, never needs a coffee break, and can process tons of information in a second. In the other corner, we have a human being, a person with a smile, a sense of humor, and the ability to know you need a cookie just by the look on your face. It's a classic head versus heart situation. Which one will win? Or maybe, just maybe, they don't have to fight at all. Maybe they can dance together. You know I love dancing. So, what can this AI assistant actually do? Let's break it down. Right now, in 2025, AI is amazing at certain things. It can manage your calendar like a pro, scheduling meetings across different time zones without breaking a sweat. It can sort through thousands of emails and pull out the important ones. You know, the ones that aren't about a sale on socks you don't need. It can book your flights, find you a hotel, and even draft a basic report. It's like having a super organized, lightning-fast helper who is really good at ticking boxes off a to-do list. It's all about efficiency and data. The technology is advancing at a mind-boggling pace. I mean, it feels like just yesterday we were all amazed that our phones could give us directions. Now, AI is writing code, creating art, and composing music. Some experts, like the futurist Ray Kurzweil, believe that AI will soon match human intelligence in every area. That's a pretty bold statement. It suggests that the list of things AI can do will just keep growing and growing. Today it's emails and calendars, but tomorrow it could be managing entire projects or making strategic business decisions. It's like watching a kid grow up, but instead of getting taller, it gets smarter every single day. This incredible speed brings up some real concerns. One of the biggest is the loss of skills. If we let AI handle all the organizational tasks, will we forget how to do them ourselves? It's like using a calculator for every math problem. After a while, you might forget how to do long division. Are we at risk of becoming too dependent on technology? It's a question worth asking. Relying on AI for everything might make our own problem-solving muscles a little weak. We need to find a balance between using these amazing tools and keeping our own minds sharp and engaged. Let's be honest, AI is a productivity powerhouse. It can do the work of several people in a fraction of the time, and it doesn't make mistakes with data entry. It can analyze trends, find patterns, and give you information that would take a human hours or even days to uncover. For a business, that's incredibly valuable. It frees up time and resources. But is that the whole story? Is work just about getting tasks done as quickly as possible? Or is there something more to it? That's where the comparison gets really interesting. Because while AI is great with data, it's not so great with people. Now let's talk about the human side of things. This is my favorite part. Think about the best assistant you've ever had or worked with. What made them so great? Was it just that they were organized? Probably not. It was the little things, right? It was their ability to read the room during a tense meeting. It was knowing you needed a quiet moment before a big presentation. It was that look that said, Don't worry, I've got this. That's empathy. That's intuition. Can you program a computer to do that? I don't think so. A human assistant understands the unspoken stuff. These qualities, empathy, emotional intelligence, creativity, are what make us uniquely human. An AI can schedule your meeting, but can it help you brainstorm a creative solution when you're feeling stuck? Can it offer a word of encouragement when you've had a rough day? Can it tell a joke to lighten the mood? A human assistant builds relationships. They become a trusted partner, someone who understands your goals, your quirks, and your passions. They can navigate complicated office politics and mediate disagreements with a grace that an algorithm just can't replicate. That human connection is priceless. Many experts agree that these soft skills are becoming more valuable than ever. Dr. Brené Brown, who studies courage and vulnerability, talks about the power of human connection. She would probably say that a workplace without empathy is just a group of people working near each other, not with each other. A human assistant is often the heart of a team, the one who remembers birthdays, asks about your weekend, and fosters a sense of community. This creates a positive work environment where people feel supported and valued. An AI can optimize a workflow, but a human can optimize well-being. So when you put them side by side, you see two very different skill sets. The AI is a master of logistics, data, and efficiency. It handles the what. The human assistant is a master of people, emotions, and context. They handle the why and the how. An AI might not understand why you're nervous about a certain client meeting, but a human will. They will not only prepare the meeting notes, but also give you a little pep talk beforehand. It's not about which one is better. It's about recognizing that they bring completely different and equally important things to the table. So, where does this leave us? Is it a fight to the finish? I don't think so. I think the future isn't about AI versus humans. It's about AI and humans. The role of the human assistant isn't going to disappear. It's going to evolve. It's going to become even more important, actually. Imagine an assistant who doesn't have to spend their day scheduling and booking travel. The AI can handle all of that. That frees up the human assistant to focus on what they do best: strategy, creative problem solving, relationship management, and being a true strategic partner. This is what many future of work experts like author Daniel Pink are saying. He argues that the skills that are hardest to automate, creativity, empathy, big picture thinking, are the ones that will define the jobs of the future. The assistant of tomorrow might spend less time on administrative tasks and more time on things like project management, event planning, and corporate culture initiatives. They will be the human interface, the emotional core of the team, the person who makes sure that as technology gets smarter, the workplace stays human. Their value will shift from task-based to relationship-based. Think of it like this. AI can be the ultimate tool. It's like giving an amazing chef the best set of knives in the world. It doesn't replace the chef, it makes them even better. It allows them to be more creative and efficient. A human assistant armed with a powerful AI tool could be a force of nature. They can offload the tedious, repetitive parts of their job and amplify their most human skills. This isn't a story about replacement, it's a story about enhancement. It's about creating a powerful partnership between human intelligence and artificial intelligence, a dynamic duo. So I want you to think about it. What does this future look like to you? Are you excited? A little nervous? Both? I think it's okay to be both. This is a huge change and it's happening right now. The conversation is just getting started. What unique human skills do you think will always be irreplaceable? How can we make sure that as we bring in these amazing new tools, we don't lose the human touch that makes work and life meaningful? Let me know what you think. And be kind to one another. And maybe to your robot assistant too.